Hi everyone, it's Nicole from Nicole Jones 911, and today I am doing a YouTube hop with this company called Finders Keepers, and I'll have all the information in the description box below. And if you check before this video, I'll have the unboxing of everything that they sent me for this YouTube hop. Also in the description box below, I'll have the link to everyone else that's doing the YouTube hop. I'll have a link to their store if you're interested in this collection. One thing I have to mention before I go on to the layout, this is an American company, and when you click on the products and you go to checkout, it says that they don't ship to Canada. What you can do is send them an email and they will give you a shipping price, and then they can get you the stuff that they have in their store. They can send them right to you. So this new collection that they sent me is called Puddle Jumpers, and it is super cute, and it has to do, spring is coming along. Spring is like less than a week or so away, and for us it's going to be a little longer, but for most places, spring is going, it's still spring for us, but we're still going to have quite a bit of snow for a long time. But spring is coming upon us, and so this one is called Puddle Jumpers. Now, as soon as I saw like the umbrellas and that kind of embellishments, I thought right away of my daughter's wedding. My daughter got married last October, which, yes, was in the fall, was not in the spring. But the day that she got married, about 10 minutes before she walked down the aisle, it started to mist. Enough that you were not to get drenched, but enough that it was, it was misting. So thankfully we had an umbrella in the car, and so my husband went and grabbed the umbrella, and he walked her down the aisle. And I don't know why. I probably would have gotten choked up anyway. But just the whole thing of them coming down, and her wedding was outside, coming down sort of like the aisle, and he was holding an umbrella, and she was kind of, tucked in right next close to him, and he was holding the umbrella. I got really choked up just seeing them come down the aisle. Like I said, I probably would have gotten choked up anyway, but these were perfect for that. I love that little strip of the umbrellas, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of the cluster of the photos. I have a cluster at the top and a cluster at the bottom. I didn't know if I wanted to put it so that the top pictures would be to the left of the layout and the bottom two would be at the right of the layout, but because that embellishment didn't go all the way across, I decided to put them in the middle. And then I found this tag, and I really liked this saying on it. It says, "You make me happy when skies are gray," and it worked perfectly with this layout. And then once I have this all done up, then I just go through. There was a sticker sheet. I went through all the stickers, started dividing them into embellishment clusters, and that big 3x4 card that I put next to the bottom photo, there was a ton of little stickers that were the same as that big sticker, and so I started dividing them into the embellishment clusters. And then there was some little tiny words, and whenever I finish an embellishment cluster, I like to put some words over top. I find it always finishes my embellishment cluster. So some of the cardstock that were in the kit, one was gray and one was purple, and that was just perfect because her wedding was actually gray and purple. So I matted the photos in gray, and I matted the 3x4 cards in the purple cardstock. And I really love that 3x4 card that said "Rain makes everything beautiful," because it wasn't a very sunny day. They say that, to take pictures, it's better to have sort of an overcast day. So even though it rained for about 10 minutes just before her wedding or during her wedding, it didn't ruin everything. And then as soon as the wedding was over, we were able to go and get her pictures done, and the mist stopped and it didn't ruin the wedding at all. So that's going to complete this layout, and like I said, everything is in the description box below about Finders Keepers and their website and how you can order, and everyone else in the hop is also linked in the description box below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.